Should we do that? And I was mostly in favor of getting in the rooms because I hadn't thought about it much. But a couple of guys were making the point, no, we'll lose the gathering in the basement. That came in, the cable TV came into every room. There was no gangs of guys laughing and talking and hooting and hollering in the basement. It died. It died in a day. Instead, everybody sat alone in the rooms or in small groups, 2, 3, 4, watching what they wanted to watch. The social gathering vanished.
So you're putting
electronic faux connection.
So you're putting the blame at the foot of affordable portable television.
Not essentially, yes.
Yeah, it's something. It's something.
Well, can you get that inch-deep, non-nourishing human connectedness through a wire? If the answer is yes, for a lot of people, that's enough. Or they think that's enough. They feel like it.
Yeah, there's a minimum threshold that would appear for enough to keep you from immediately offing yourself, and you can get that through your phone. And so you decide, enough people decide, well, that's all I need. That's enough for me. We left out probably a very important part of the segment. But I assume most of the people listening are with us on just the assumption that this is a bad thing. They go through plenty of statistics on how connection with family and friends is important for all kinds of mental health and suicide rates and all kinds of different success. All things. I mean, it's not just a feeling we have that's bad. People are actually statistics true. I mentioned being at a stoplight on a Saturday night and watching a group of sorority girls walking from the sorority across the street heading for downtown, and every single one of them, all looking exactly the same. Same haircut, same jeans, same shirt, everything. But all staring at their phones. And I was thinking, who do you want to be with more than these other people you're with at this point in your life? Right. Whoever it is that you're looking at your phone talking to, why don't you go be with them? I don't know that now.
Yeah. That was practically a truism in psychology. And again, that word's true. That for happiness, you need a social circle. You need people you care about who care about you, and you need a life of purpose. And online don't cut it, but we hammered that point enough.
I'll tell you what my purpose is, cyber shopping. That's my purpose, Cyber Monday.
It's a good deal. Stupider story on media. Please point it out to us. Cyber freaking Monday. Can you not hear what the actors are saying on the TV? You're not knowing yet. It's not you. We'll explain.
Awesome. That's next.
The holidays are right around the corner, and we're ready. You know why? Because we use HelloFresh.
HelloFresh delivers delicious recipes and more right to your door. You can skip that expert grocery store trip, take a break from meal planning, and actually enjoy this special time of year.
HelloFresh always has something new to try with over 35 chef-crafted recipes each week, chock full of quality ingredients and choice protein.
Plus, you get to stock your pantry and even prep for a party with seasonal and convenience items from HelloFresh Market.
When you're in a hurry, their 20-minute meals and easy cleanup options make room for more quality time around the dinner table and less time in the kitchen.
Of course, saving money is always a priority around the holidays. HelloFresh is cheaper than grocery shopping and 25% less expensive than take.
Sign up today for 70% off plus free shipping with the code Armstrong70 at HelloFresh.com/Armstrong70. That's HelloFresh.com/Armstrong70. You're going to love it. You can cancel anytime. HelloFresh.com/Armstrong70.
Make the season even brighter with beautiful jewelry from JTV. Shop JTV.com and get $25 off your purchase of $50 or more when you use code RADIO25. You'll discover more than 40,000 jewelry designs and gifts. That's enough to keep everyone on your list sparkling all season long. Plus, new customers will receive $40 in brilliant cash to use toward their next jewelry purchase. Shop JTV.com and use code RADIO25 and fill your holiday with sparkle.
It's a new day because COVID vaccines just got a big update. So all the big stuff coming up this fall, well, now you can say, you bet I'll be there. Because updated COVID vaccines protect against both the original COVID virus and Omicron. And everyone 5 and older can get one. So this is a moment we've all been waiting for.
vaccines at vaccines.gov. We can do this. Paid for by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
Tis the season to have friends shop on by. Great first step. You can do it today. To get ready, call our friends at Zero Res. Get your carpets clean. Get them deep clean. Get them shiny, new looking. Do the same for your tile and grout and area rugs too if you like. Zero Res does it all.
And I gotta nail down various holiday plans today, which is one of my least favorite things to do. But if your plans include people coming over to your house, well, you want to get your carpets clean. Probably the sooner the better, because they're going to get super busy. You don't want people showing up to your house. You can do all the straightening up you want.
And if your carpets are dirty, ew. And you let your dog up on your couch, you got an upholstery couch, they clean upholstery too at Zero Res. 20% off all carpet and tile cleaning services because yes, they do tile and grout too. Give them a call, 877-321-0739. That's 877-321-0739. Or schedule your appointment at ZeroResBayArea.com. Use promo code ZeroRes11. Zero Res. Spell it backward or forward, it spells the same. Zero Res.
Diamond Earrings.
Diamond earrings.
At Shreve & Company.
None of your friends have ever seen diamonds like these.
Shreve diamonds so jagged, stars of light across the room.
Like a Cisco ball gone out of control.
No one will be able to look away.
Magical diamond.
For magical women.
The perfect illumination for a woman's face.
Is a perfectly matched pair of diamond earrings.
Let there be light.
You'll find Shreve in Palo Alto, perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
And the flagship Shreves at 150 Post off Union Square.
Securities and advisory services offered through United Planners Financial Services, member FINRA SIPC. Fitucci and Associates, Proxy Freedom, and United Planners are not affiliated.
You probably don't wake up each morning thinking, how can I better plan for retirement? But we do at Fitucci and Associates in partnership with Proxy Freedom. Wake up and think about how we can help you better prepare for retirement. That is what we do. COVID's been going on, stock market hard to predict, politicians continue squabbling. Can't control those things. Nope. But what we can control and do best is to help figure out the best way for you to have a predictable income for the rest of your life. That's our goal. We can probably help you. Visit don'tinvestandforget.com or call 888-PLAN-WISE. A free consultation can work in person in one of our several Bay Area offices or in a Zoom meeting or on the phone. Don'tinvestandforget.com or 888-PLAN-WISE. And don't worry, this is not our first rodeo.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shelley Slate with today's tip for kids from the American Academy of Pediatrics. If you put off doctor visits during the pandemic, now is a good time to call your pediatrician and get caught up. Children and teens need regular checkups with their doctor to make sure their development is on track, talk about nutrition and behavior, and to get the vaccines they need to stay healthy. It's safe and your pediatrician wants to hear from you. For more on children's health during COVID-19, talk with your pediatrician or visit healthychildren.org.
Last Tuesday.
All right. Yeah, okay. So, here's an experience most of us can relate to, although some of us haven't really admitted it in polite company. I can't understand what the actors are saying on the TV.
Watch the movie Saturday night. All the place all the time.
Are they in love? Did he threaten to kill her? Is she his employee? Oh, he's her employee? What? Was that Netflix show? I haven't heard of that.
Weird, man. He's kind of
front-facing speakers that sent the audio straight at you, while the new 50% speakers